Now we need to make the schedules drawing. So that's number 4 on page 38. To do the schedules, we'll go back to Word here. Here we go. We need to have a window schedule. We've done that already. Door schedule, I think we did those two. Area schedules, which is a room number, room, and area. And then we need to have the first floor plan schedule, or first floor plan anyways, on the drawing. So let's go back to Revit here, and I'm going to have everything turned on, and I will go and start a new sheet. It's going to be a C size. Say OK. And the first thing I want to put in, because it's physically the largest, is the floor plan. So let me go back to that drawing. There we go. Got that back up there in the title block. And I'm going to drag in the one that's called floor. Oh, actually, I can't drag it in, can I? I got to right click on it. I got to say duplicate. I'm going to say with detailing. And I'm going to name this floor. Oops. I goofed. I have to right click on this and say rename. Then I can leave the word floor there. And I'm going to call this schedules, schedules. Okay. That way I know what this particular drawing is supposed to be doing, or what sheet it's going to be used on. So I'll go back to the drawing, to the C-size title block, and I'll drag floor schedules in, and I'll put it on the paper, and I'm going to try to put it up here. Now I've got these schedules got to go on here too, and this is going to get tight. So I'm going to click on door schedule and drag him in. Yeah, I told you this was going to be tight. I'm going to take room schedule. I'm going to drag that in. And I'm going to drag in window schedule. And we got some problems here because these are pretty big. I really want to leave this at 1/4 of an inch equals 1 foot if I can. I don't know if I'm going to be able to, but we're going to give it a shot anyways. So I'm just putting this up as far as I can in the corner. Let's zoom in here a little bit. I'll move my door schedule over. Oh, this has got to move to the right because it's going off the title block. This maybe I can get to pull down just a little. Come on. Maybe I'll try to move it over. See, it was crashing up here with this other one. Now maybe I can get my door schedule in here and my window schedule. Now we'll try something different here. We'll just move the door schedule up to here. So right now my scale is 1/4 of an inch equals 1 foot. We have to remember that that is always the most commonly used size for any drawing, scale wise, and you want to leave that there. If it's an extreme case, we might change our scale here to 1/8 of an inch, but that messes up the dimensioning very, very badly. So actually, I was able to get this set up the way I'd like, so it doesn't look too bad. And that is a window schedule, and door, and room schedule. I almost forgot. We got to do all the stuff down here still. So we're going to call this schedules. schedules. Project number is 1. Author is your name. Checker is Mr. Seward. So I'm just going to put Seward on here. And that's it. Okay, that's how you do that.